Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. I am of the Škoda family, a name well known in the world of heavy engineering. I myself am called Fcw 140. My dimensions and forms are attractive. My admirers are particularly interested in the diameter of my milling and boring spindle and its precision. The scope of travel is very important. Not to forget, the diameter of my spindle is 140 millimeters, but I have got a stronger brother with a spindle diameter of 150 millimeters. I manage high precision machining at depths of up to 1,700 millimeters, measured from my body. Among the other remarkable features of mine is the height at which I can do various machining operations, up to 3,500 millimeters. My longitudinal travel is 20,000 millimeters. There I can move with the travelling speed of up to 20 meters a minute. Apart from that, my clamping table has its own guide where it can travel over the distance of 2,500 millimeters. It is a turntable so that the clamped workpiece can be machined from 5 different directions. My family tree is quite impressive. It is hard to tell what generation I actually belong to. The forefathers of the machine tools made in Plzeň are reported to have been doing great things as early as 1911. The family annals are full of reports of outstanding achievements of my relatives, such as that of my great-great-aunt, who travelled to the World Exhibition in Brussels and won a golden medal there. I am not saying this to boast unnecessarily. I just wanted to prove that our kin belonged to the best of its kind in the world. The portraits of many of my forefathers hang on the walls of my home company, Škoda Machine Tool s.r.o. These are on display in the main design office. In my case, the original idea of my form and functions took shape in the heads of designers towards the end of the 20th century. You should know that the embryonic stage of life of a machine tool is a creative idea, and its prenatal images are calculations and drawings shown on computer screens. It need be added that a good designer is not only concerned with the perfect shaping and tuning of my body. He must also think of my movable parts, extendable arms, a large assortment of tooling and various accessories. Eventually, the digital fluid gives rise to numbers and lines as a preliminary stage to the machine's materialized form. My steel contours are created of parts originating not in the design offices, but in the machining shops and assembly halls of the company Škoda Machine Tool. At the same time, the component parts of my future spindle are manufactured too. They have to go through many precise machining operations, and it takes a long time before you would recognize them and realize what their functions may be. For a layman, the assembly drawings of the spindle will give no clue as to their purpose. The drawings of the auxiliary cutter head in computer animation are much more intelligible. But isn't it a small miracle when you see it in reality? The process of creating my column from a huge block of cast iron is no less amazing. Believe it or not, but this piece of several tons is machined with the accuracy of tens of micrometers. Well, it takes an expert to do such work. Now I am to meet my new lord, a customer who wants to know what I can do. Therefore, I have the first opportunity to demonstrate my capabilities through several presentation runs. Before the travel guides are covered, Note the interesting boots. These bear the column on its travel along the machine bed. A similar arrangement is used for the travel of the drilling head on the column or the slide ram in the drilling head. In all these cases, the former hydrostatic guides were replaced by roller contact ones to allow for higher travel speeds. From the very beginning, the specialist engineers of Škoda Machine Tool supervised my erection and operational start at the customer plant. To get me assembled, wired and prepared for the operational tests, the Škoda Machine Tool specialists need both time and adequate experience. The tool magazine, with the capacity of 80 tool carriers in the system for automated tool replacement, makes me fairly independent. The boots again, this time for the drilling head guide. The type of drilling head seating shows that I am of the family branch of horizontal milling and boring machines. For your information, our Škoda family has several branches, of which the two main ones are called lathes and horizontal milling and boring machines. The turntable is being finalised. All the seating planes need be measured with utmost precision. They will be the reference points and surfaces to which the axial coordinates will be defined from my control panel. The measured values will be stored in my brain, the computer. The assembly is almost finished. What remains is to install the operator cabin, connect the wiring, lubricate the joints of the moving parts, and the operational tests may commence. When doing a test, a human student may fail, postpone the test, or give it up entirely. A machine has no such options. Its creators will not allow them. The tests, measurements, adjustments, repairs, further tests and measurements are done over and over until everybody is fully satisfied. After the qualification tests, which are performed by people close to you, you must be prepared for much less considerate treatment by the customer, who will expose you to the real environment of a manufacturing plant. The customers appreciate my precision, speed, variability and flexibility in meeting the operational requirements. My superior qualities are based on many design features, including independent travel systems for the machine, operator cabin and turntable. The various technological accessories can be automatically replaced during the machine operation. Such accessories are easily collected from a pickup box located at the extreme end of the working surface of the machine. So, without a direct involvement of the machine operator, accessories such as a milling head can be collected from and later deposited into the pickup box. Machine tooling can be automatically replaced at the upper part of the machine column or in the milling head. The considerable capacity of the tooling box, up to 80 different tools, facilitates fast tool replacement and therefore contributes to a high machine productivity. The machining efficiency is further improved by increased speed of the spindle while retaining the specified cutting force and machining precision. I, the Fcw 140, rank among the leading high precision and high performance machine tools of my kind. My excellent operational parameters are assisted by fast independent travel systems in all axes, including the operator cabin. The computer control system provides for extra high-precision machining. My other special features, including automated tool replacement system, a wide range of machine accessories, and a turntable facilitating machining of very large pieces from 5 directions, further enhance my excellent operational properties. At the moment, I am the latest offspring of the family of heavy machine tools manufactured and marketed by the company Škoda Machine Tool s.r.o. in Plzeň, Czech Republic.